Alright, welcome. Alright. Okay, we was doing well some fishing for some other fish. We had or made a or I was gonna redo this video. So well we are on that Congo that okay, now we're gonna do there's a hotspot. I was gonna upload yesterday, but I found this or that other hotspot. You come down right there's a boat, but I'm just gonna redo it. But yeah, you spawn in. So come on, there you go. Click here, and it's I think over here. That's where that. You basically just come, I think, left in the boat if you have a boat. So come over here, and just see the waterfall. See, that's the waterfall. Whenever if you hear somebody say go to the waterfall, because that's where they're at. So oops. So jump in the boat. Well, just before that, inventory. I'll change you back over. Right. When I get the big, right now I don't have the only biggest hook we have is just. I had it's titanium, but I threw fluorocarbon leader back on because I never got a unique, but so in that spot. So, but also the only biggest hook I had was just a 10-aught. Where's my hooks there? Yeah. So I don't. If you have a 12 or 4, the bigger the hook, the better, better, because then you have, like, if you have a 14-aught or, 12 or 14, then you better chance of weeding out and getting, or bigger, because, so, this is also that deal. See this rod right here, because I finally did, or now I am finally up 62 in the spot where I've been grinding, uploaded yesterday actually. My money in hotspot spot. I was grinding it, testing it some more too. Still trying it. This little crazy fun. So and trying to think. Oh yeah, fish. There was also I had some, but I ran out. I probably should have used some of the footage, but it is. There you go. But crabs. These right here I had. You get 20 of those are small. The palapa or however you pronounce that. You get 20, and that's also really good bait for those. I was just showing, but yeah, you want that. So, oh yeah, and then, but you can also use large, minnow. Oops, sorry. And then you can probably like the shrimp or crawfish, some probably some. There you go. I went past it, but I have not tried any of the shiners yet or nothing. So come on, and there you go. Come on. There you go. Thought I was pressing wrong button. Hitting the wrong button. But anyways, you just I'll show the coordinates and then so, and then I'll show a little bit. I'll just show because alright, make sure. There is like can't remember how many. I thought there might have been another buoy, but I don't see it. But anyways, the buoy, you just come straight down from here, from there, and it's this buoy right here, and see, and right here is this spot, and I'll show, but this is where the hotspot for the Nile perch. Come on, I'm trying to zoom in. But caught a young and just taxiderm or used next. If I ever get a, when I get a unique, I'll taxidermist it just a taxidermist it, or just to have one of those. But yeah, there's the coordinates for that spot. So you just there we go. Now we can. So, but yeah, and then mornings, the time. So we'll just go ahead and come over here just for the video. Yeah, do mornings and evenings. So which, like for example, let's see that one, day 9. Yeah, I'm assuming the peak here, and then here, and definitely here, but but then then we have these peaks. That's normally it's always this kind of right here. That's normally what it is right there. Mornings. Anyways, alright. Well, hell, I'll show. Anyways, and then we're going to be using this rod, and it's also pretty easy to use it out of the boat. Well, I should have anchored up, but we'll leave it. I was testing. I was leaving it unanchored, but see, and then hold the rod up, and then start reeling. You want to load the that's how you'll hook them. See, that's how fast it is. See how fast we just caught. What's it? So, see, that's a Nile. I never caught anything else except for the Nile perch, when during the daytime, morning or like that, with the baits. Well, see, but yes. So you can, I might just go ahead and drop the anchor just. I was trying that a couple different times. I would anchor up, but with pressing Z. But if you don't know, but you got to be down there. Press Z, but so watch. No, fuck it. I'll just drop Z just for the video. Because sometimes I'll show you. It's easy also to how to catch them. You can easily catch them. You don't want to like watch whenever it hits. I'll just do. You also just gotta wait for it to hit. Finally hits the bottom. If you just start reeling when you start seeing them, I very rarely, a couple different times, I would not ever hook one. I'll show the proper way to hook them out of the boat too. So with this, with a rod out of a boat. So whenever you see it or you start getting a bite, you can hold down, even if you hold down shift, and then dry. Because I was testing that or trying that a couple different times. I tried a long time ago. I made a couple videos long time ago out of a boat, and then I kind of forgot or hadn't done, or fished out of the boat forever. So, but yeah, but there was during those times I'd fish from 5 to 7 or 8, and then jump it to the evening, but come on. Sometimes in the evenings I would actually have times like this. Sometimes it would, or a little bit of time, I would have to wait in between. But for some reason in the mornings, very rarely, it was always. See, now we have a fit. Or see, we have if you had to. Well, you saw ended up hooking that. I was farting around, but. And this is, like I said, that DLC. The proper way, you just gotta hold up on it, and then with the right, and then start reeling. Once you load the fish, but I tried to do that. It's a habit for me to I messed up, but I was trying to because if you just reel, you're not I never could get them. I'll try to do that next time. Well, I won't hold up, show you. That's why I was trying to show the proper way, but come on. Come on. Alright, come on. See, another reason sometimes I don't do anchor. But if other people though, then you can go in front of them, but I don't really see no one else. Just because, so you can land the fish faster. But, see, come on. Which if you have which I was also using like a 9-aught, so yeah. I shouldn't. If I didn't have it anchored, I would just chase it down really quick. And if it went and did go ballistically, ran from, if it went that way, because I don't know. I've had them go 300. I don't know if they go further than 300, up this way, up toward the waterfall, or I don't know how far it is across there. So I don't know if my little 452 feet will be okay up there or not by the waterfall. See, and now I might, now I might end up losing it because now we are 300. So yeah, I'll anchor it, but just for that simple fact, we end up so now it's coming this way. So hopefully it'll actually. Or coming in, so we don't hurry up to keep the fucking our video going. Hopefully. So Come on. Now we're back to 250. Come on. But yeah, you're basically holding up like that, you know, right? Well, I'm holding down just the right mouse button, holding the rod up, and then once you load up, like you see, whenever you see the fish on there, that it loads all the way up to the top where you see it turn your red, or all the way to however far however you have it. Make sure the whole thing is loaded, and then you start reeling, and then also I hold down shift at the same time. But after you do it a little bit, I'll show one more time. But so I was trying, but just holding down R. I was farting around with that. I was also holding down just the right mouse button, hold that rod up. So then, whenever a fish got on, then when I had to bite in. But yeah, if you do it this way, hold down, load the rod. I've never missed a fish. The only times when I'll try that again, I fucked up. I'll try to actually lose the next one. Hopefully it won't be a unique. That'd be funny. Because you get insane, amount of money for uniques. Because they're so, But, see a trophy. See, look at that, 30,000, that's just a trophy. So, you get a shitload, XP. And this time, here, I'll try to unmiss it. So see, just in case. Alright. Now this time I'll show. I'll just or once you see it, I'm getting a bite, and then I'll show the proper way to, or like how, and even I'll hold down the shift button. But yeah. And so once you start getting a bite, and this hotspot, then when the next bite, then see, I'll show. See, he had the bite, he started to bite, and see, missed him. So I'll do one more time. Hopefully, that would have been funny if it would have been a unique. So. But we just one more time, and then I'll do the proper way again. Once, and we're holding down the shift, real fast. But okay, now we're ready again. How not the not proper way. How not to reel. I'll show again, and then I'll show one more time the proper way, and then end the video, because just to show, I was just showing this, how to catch them out of the boat. You just watch also, watch that, watch it. So whenever you do get one done, you just, see. Now, miss. Oh, I actually even got lucky on that one. I did not lift it up. I actually got lucky. You hooked that one. So, we are definitely not anchored up this time, so. But yeah, so we actually got lucky. My first one, when I come over here trying this spot and I found that spot, we did the same thing. Got lucky, got hooked it. So, and then the next three I missed. So I was like, what? And then I figured no. Then the fourth one got a hook. Oh, that got on there. That bit anyway. That bit. Then I figured if you load the rod first, and then you never miss it. So 100% hookup, just as long as you load the rod up first. So come on, as long as it's these. I mean, not saying if it's something else, but these, if you're hooking out, and then with the bottom rod like this. So. Alright, see? But, catch a fuck out shitload of them right here. Then, here, I'll do, we'll do one more and I'll do the proper way. And once that sinks all the way down, I'll show. You hold it up right there, and then you'll see the, and once it loads all the way up, then, but also hold down the shift button at the same time, waiting, because in spot, because you help, or once you do load it, see, I'll do the proper way, and then we'll end the video after we land this one, because it's already been long enough. But you want to make sure you watch that spot, or your reel, to make sure you see when you're getting a bite, so you know to hold right down or press right mouse button down, then hold the rod up, so until you see it completely load, then you push your left or mouse button with your left finger or whatever. I mean, I'm on the keyboard. I don't know how to do it with the console. I've never played this game on console. See, sometimes you get a little bit of time in between, but because also, yeah, and that's also the reason to hold down the shift button to reel fast, I guess, just to take up that excess line. Okay, we're getting a bite. See, now I started reeling. See, you see all the way you loaded, and then start reeling. You have to make sure that's the proper. Every time you do it this way, it's 100% hookup. You won't miss one. So then, as long as you got, well, if you have this thing, then you just have to fight them. So. But yeah, after we land this one, I'll end the video because it's already, what, 22 minutes, so that's what I was trying to, but yeah, just to show. But yeah, so if you're on, yeah, I don't know how to do it with, or how to do it with, but how to properly hook them with the console. So, because I've never played, so I don't even know what button you press for that to hold any of that stuff. So, sorry. Come on. But see, this is why it's also insanely handy, because see, I can chase it down. So you can land them faster and then scroll or go back up there quicker. That's where you can apply more pressure, because you can get right here basically, I guess, but basically, you can chase it down. Somebody unique Nile Perch, see, 401 pound now. So young, but I mean, so. Alright, so and then just go back up there and then cast back. Yeah, so thanks for watching, everybody. Bye. Oops.